Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best semi-automatic welding welder on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Hitbox HBM 1200 Semi-Automatic Welding Welder. Let's get started.
Product features: 3-in-1 welding functionality. The HBM 1200 supports MIG, MMA, and lift TIG welding. This 3-in-1 versatility lets you tackle a variety of projects efficiently, boosting productivity by up to 40% over standard arc welders. Adjustable power and wire speed control. With a simple control panel, you can adjust the power and wire feed speed for different metals and thicknesses. Perfect for precise welding on plates from 0.8 mm to 4.0 mm. Safety and cooling features. Equipped with overheat protection, VRD, and a built-in air radiator, the HBM 1200 ensures safe operation while keeping the unit cool during long work sessions. Gasless continuous wire welding. The 120 amps at 100% and 93 amps at 60% rating allows gasless continuous welding, reducing setup time and simplifying operation for beginners and pros alike. Compact and tested build. Compact design makes it easy to transport and fit in workshops. Each unit is quality tested, so minor black burn marks on the nozzle indicate reliable pre-shipment testing. Multi-mode efficiency. Switch seamlessly between MIG, MMA, and TIG modes. This flexibility means you can handle multiple metal types and thicknesses without changing machines, saving time and effort. Pros: 3-in-1 multi-mode welding. Adjustable power and wire feed speed for precision. Gasless welding for convenience. Safety features like VRD and overheat protection. Compact and portable design for workshops and home. Cons: some users may need time to adjust to multiple modes. Not suitable for extremely thick industrial plates over 4 mm. Initial setup may require reading the manual for beginners. Final thoughts: the Hitbox HBM 1200 Semi-Automatic Welding Welder is an all-in-one compact powerhouse. Its versatility, safety features, and precision make it ideal for both home and professional users. If you want a reliable, multi-mode welder that saves time and effort, this one's worth considering.
That's it for today's Welding Spotlight. Check the price link in the description, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome tech and tools.